Hello and welcome back. I'm your friendly neighborhood technician. Today and the next few days, I'm going to be releasing a bunch of shorter videos on removing the interior from this car. This car, if you remember the homebrew C55 with the 113 in it, this is the car that engine came out of, this exact car, not another CLK 55, this exact CLK 55. So you can see it's crashed, there's no engine. So I'm gonna go through taking apart the door panels, the rear trim, the back seats, the front seats, possibly the dash if I have enough time. And so I'm gonna do a video on each one of those just so it's easier to find instead of doing one whole long video that you have to scroll through. So let's get to it. Okay, step one, you gotta remove this handle cover right here. So if you get a wedge in here and you pop it off, it pops off that way. Again, using my trusty little really thin wedge right there, way better than the plastic ones. So once you get it started, then it just pops off. And you have to remove that because there is a screw in here. Next in this area, we have to remove this little SRS cover because there's another screw in here. So again, just pop it off. There's a screw in there. And then we have to remove these 3 Phillips screws from this end cover. Can get a little stuck. Next, you're going to want to remove the 2 T30s right here and right here. Last cover we have to remove, this one right here, which is a T20. Okay, next we got to remove this speaker cover right here. Just pop it off from the top edge. And there's a little hook right there. So make sure you don't break that hook off. So got to pivot it down and then pull it out. You'll have to unplug the speaker too, but as you can see, there's no actual speaker in here, but the connector's there. Okay, next we're going to pop off the door panel from the bottom edge, and then we're going to lift upwards because there's a channel right here on the top edge where the door panel sits down. It kind of is shaped like that, and it sits down in the top there. So you have to pop it out and lift it up. You're probably gonna pop it out and lift it up from one end, because it's easier if you get one side lifted up first. Just like that. And then you want to reach around here and remove the door handle cable. Then also there's a connector right here that connects to the door control module. Right there for the switches, and then down here for the puddle light. And that's how you remove the door panel. Now you can get to your speakers, your airbag, your other speaker, door control module, anything. Take the inner window foil off here so you can get to your window regulator. But that's about it. Alrighty, that's it for this one. Like I said, a short one. Next, we're going to move on to the next interior piece. But thank you for watching. Make sure you give me that thumbs up, hit subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification icon so you get notifications when I post a new video. And if you're feeling generous, head on over to my Patreon and subscribe to that. So I would much appreciate it. Then I can bring you more of these videos. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.